Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, I've got something really exciting to talk to you about, and that's the X protocol. Now, I know that might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you in plain and simple terms. So, what is the X protocol? Well, it's like the next big thing in the world of the internet. You see, right now, we're living in what's called Web 2, and it's like the current version of the internet. So, the X protocol wants to take us to Web 3, which is like the future of the internet. Now, why should you care? Well, because the X protocol is all about making this transition super smooth, and they want everyone from big businesses to regular folks like you and me to be able to use Web3 with ease. They're talking about things like scalability, which basically means that the internet can handle a lot more users and data without slowing down. And who doesn't want a faster internet, right? Then there's security. The X protocol wants to make sure that your online activities are safe and sound. No one wants to worry about their data getting into the wrong hands. And speaking of data, they're all about interoperability. That's a fancy word for saying that different parts of the internet can work together seamlessly. So it's like having all your apps and websites talking to each other without any hiccups. But here's the best part. They want all of this to be user-friendly. That means you don't need a degree in computer science to use Web3. It should be as easy as using your favorite social media app. And now, how do they plan to do all this? Well, they're using some seriously advanced technology. They're harnessing the power of blockchain, which is like a super secure digital ledger to make all of this happen. Now, I know I've thrown a lot of information at you, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. If you're curious and want to dive deeper, they've got a white paper that explains everything in detail. So even if I will get thought that, you can also check more details by yourself. So the X protocol is all about taking us to the next level of the internet, making it faster, safer, and easier to use. And remember, it's not just about the tech stuff. The X protocol is here to empower all of us to make the most of Web 3. Now, you want to get into Web 3, but coding isn't your thing? Well, the X protocol has got your back. They've got this AI-powered Web 3 wizard that lets you create modern Web 3-based businesses without writing a single line of code. Yep, you heard me right. No coding required, so it's all about making your life easier. Now, imagine starting your own Web3 project effortlessly. No more pulling your hair out over code. So you can just use their super user-friendly interface and you're good to go. Now, for those of you who already have a business in the Web 2 world, I have a great news. The X protocol has this powerful Web 2 TO3 plugin that's here to supercharge your business. And it's like giving your business a shot of adrenaline. Now, this plugin makes the transition to Web 3 a breeze, so you can say goodbye to all those technical headaches. Now, you can also dive into decentralized applications, smart contracts, and all that cool Web 3 stuff without breaking a sweat. All right, let's talk about tech for a moment. The X protocol's the X chain is like the superhero of layer 2 technology, and it's all about making things super secure, lightning fast, and scalable. So businesses and individuals can now jump into the Web 3 world without worrying about efficiency and cost, and it's like the fast lane to the decentralized ecosystem. What I really like is that the X protocol knows that not everyone is a tech guru, and that's why they've got a support system that's designed to hold your hand through the transition from Web 2 to Web 3. They've got these 24/7 account advisors who are like your personal guides, and they'll help you make smart decisions and solve any issues that come your way. So it's all about ensuring that your journey into the Web 3 world is smooth sailing. Now, if you're a gamer, I have great news for you. The X protocol is here to revolutionize your gaming experience. They've got rule-based NFTs and token sending, a P2E game wizard, and asset management features. So it's all about making your gaming life better. Now, if you are a business owner, I have great news for you as well. So the X protocol can boost your online business, and they offer seamless WB3 transitions, smart contract creation, and even help you design customer loyalty programs. If you are in the tourism industry, then the X protocol can help you transform your offerings based on real-time customer behavior. So it's all about staying ahead in the tourism game. And no matter if you're running a business, big or small, the X protocol has scalable, secure, and user-friendly solutions. And they've got your back when it comes to Web3 transitions, smart contract creation, integration and asset management. Now, let's talk about some cool features. Rule-based NFT transfer. You can transfer non-fungible tokens based on customized rules for gaming and commerce. So here it's all about flexibility. Rule-based token transfer. You can transfer tokens based on customized rules. Again, great for gaming and commerce. Moreover, you can use the X protocol's P2E game wizard to enhance your gameplay and in-game economies. With asset management, you can manage your assets with the X protocol's no-code and interoperable solutions. So keeping track of your stuff has never been easier. Plus, you can create smart contracts without breaking a sweat. So the X protocol offers no-code and zero-knowledge solutions for this. Design customer and user loyalty programs. If you want to build customer loyalty, the X protocol's no-code solutions can help you create and manage loyalty programs. Moving forward to tokenomics, TXP has a total supply of 5 billion tokens. Now, what's cool is that they've allocated these tokens into different categories to make sure everything runs smoothly. First up, we've got the X-Chain Treasury, holding 24.8% of the tokens, which is 1.24 billion TXP. Now, think of this as the savings account for the project. Then there's the team, which is vested category with 10.2%, and that's 510 million TXP. Now, this is for the awesome people working on TXP, their advisors, and SweetTech. The community gets 16.8% or 840 million TXP. Now, this is for community growth, like grants, rewards, and airdrops they want to give back to the people who support them. Marketing takes 13.2%, which is 660 million TXP. And this includes things like listing on exchanges and keeping the project visible. Venture rounds are at 5% or 250 million TXP. Now, this is for venture capital investments, mainly in private sales. Ecosystem funds hold 11.4% or 570 million TXP. These funds are for the foundation and developing the TXP ecosystem. Core investors get 3.6%, which is 180 million TXP, and it's from the seed sale and pre-sale. And lastly, we've got Web3 backing funds with 3% or 150 million TXP, and this is for education programs and partnerships. TXP sale, which is a public sale, has 6% or 300 million TXP, and DAO, or Decentralized Autonomous Organisation, holds another 6%, which is 300 million TXP. Let's check now their roadmap. So phase 1, the books, and it was all about the pre-launch planning. They laid the foundation for this project with a solid business model, and they also dove into the nitty-gritty of smart contracts development, ensuring everything is secure. And of course, we can't forget about platform security algorithm schema and the pre-sale dashboard pre-sale, where things started to get real. Now, moving on to phase 2, where they continued to make strides. They introduced the Web3 Wizard MVP, making things more user-friendly. Plus, they unveiled the X Protocol Academy, your go-to source for learning about this exciting technology. And to top it off, they wrapped up phase 2 with smart contracts final audit reports. Now, phase 3 is where things get even more interesting. We're talking about the Web3 Wizard Beta, a sneak peek into the future. And if you're a fan of light paper, well, you're in for a treat. Automatic marketplace integrations are also on the horizon, making life easier for everyone involved. Phase 4 is coming up next, and it's a game changer. Web3 Wizard Alpha, security token, Web3 Wizard, AI integration, and a P2E gaming sector upgrade. Now, this phase has it all, and I can't wait to see how it unfolds. Phase 5 is where the excitement peaks. The X-Chain testnet, the X Protocol, Web 2.0.3, beta, and dynamic NFTs. I don't want to give away too much, but let's just say you won't want to miss this phase. And finally, phase 6, the grand finale, X-Chain Alpha, the X Protocol, Web 2.0.3 Alpha. So it's going to be epic, and I'll be right here to share all the details with you. Now, if you want to learn more about, I will have all the necessary links down in the description below so you guys can check out everything. If you want to participate in pre-sale, you have still 3 days to take a decision in this direction. And again, I will have all the necessary links down in the description below, including the pink sale link. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to comment, like, and share to help the YouTube algorithm. Until next time, goodbye.